Okay, so in some traditional cultures around the world, laboring women will hold a wooden comb. And so I thought that was super interesting, and I was trying to get to the bottom of why they would be doing this. And there is something called the gait control theory that we're going to talk about. The mom squeezes the comb so that it presses into her palm. She squeezes as long and as hard as she seems that it is helpful. Then she relaxes her grip in between contractions, but usually will hang on to it for the next ritual and the contraction rhythm. So what you want to do is have the comb hit at the base of your fingers across your palm, and then squeeze during a contraction, and then again release when the contraction ends. Okay, so what is going on here and how does this help? So pressure on the nerve pathways in your hand reach your brain faster and kind of crowd out or distract your brain from the abdominal labor pain sensations. And this is what is known as the gait control of pain theory. And this theory says that the brain can only focus on a select number of sensations at a time. Okay, and so if the impulses on the fast pain fibers outnumber the impulses along the slow pain fibers, the gate of pain perception is closed. All right, well, that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.